So everybody who knows me personally is well aware I am a very flawed human being. I am mid at skiing. I am a sub-mid person. I have had many people in my life who have burnt bridges with me because of how much of an absolute piece of shit I am. To those of y'all who stuck around, I just want to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry you have to put up with me. There's a lot wrong with me, but the least I can do to make up for some of it is to show you all a good deed that I did. In this video, you're about to see me go down a chute poleless to bring somebody their lost skis. Before you see that part, one funny thing that you'll notice at the beginning of the clip is I mistakenly think I bumped into somebody, but it ended up being a rock. I know, color cooked. Anyway, let's play the clip. Back on the Spaulding Bowl, let's do Patrol Chute, whatever the size of this run is. My bad. You good?
Me?
Yeah, did I hit you?
No.
Oh, was that rock?
That's rock right there.
Ah, shit. I just try not to fuck my ski on these rocks. Oh, somebody lost theirs. Whose ski is this? Like, I don't even see him down the hill. Maybe his? Yeah, it might be his. Man, that's a long fall. I don't know if I could carry all this. Yeah, but it looks like it's his. He doesn't look like he has skis. So it looks like I'm going poleless down this run. See how that goes. Double diving with no poles. Well, I got poles, but can't really use them. I got the other stuff. Yeah, it's like, it's hard to turn when I got no pole to plant. Fuck. Do it.
There you go, sir.
Yeah,
That's a long fall you had.
yeah, I just couldn't stop. And then, like, I
Well,
wonder if I had a little snow.
glad you're okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you, though. Sorry I interrupted your run there.
It's all good. Now I get to film myself doing a good deed.
Yeah. Still.
What's your name?
I'm Andy.
I'm Getted.
Gedden.
Nice to meet you.
Appreciate your help.
You have a wonderful rest of your day.
You too.
So there you go. There's the good side of me.
And now, of course, for the haters, I need to show a clip of me actually skiing the Patrol Chute instead of just side slipping it.
Alright, let's try and do this properly now. Because hopefully I don't have to rescue anybody this time. Oh.
Well, there's the good deed that I wanted to show you. I hope you all enjoyed. Please leave your feedback down below. Discord link is in the description. And I'll see you all on Friday. Peace out.